Today, we are going to learn about the vowel sound ah. The ah, like in the word top, is produced by positioning the tongue in the back and low in the mouth. The jaw is lowered and open. The tip of the tongue is positioned behind the lower teeth. The lips are unrounded, open, and spread. The ah is lax, so it is short in duration. Just like this.
Ah,
When you produce the correct ah, you can feel vibration in two places. These are in the vocal cords and at the body of your tongue in the back of your mouth. Now, let's talk about how the ah sound is written in English. O, odd, pot. A, swamp, calm, mirage. Then, let's practice the ah sound in words.